You mentioned the word appeasement. It reminds me World War II, when the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom was, I think it was Chamberlain, if I'm not mistaken, but before Winston Churchill. But the thing is, theirs was an appeasement. They believed that it is better to have peace with Mussolini and with Adolf Hitler rather than go to war. But we all know what happened. And in a speech in Parliament, then Prime Minister Winston Churchill was able to actually mobilize the English battle, rather the English language, and put it into battle, hence the victory of the Allied forces. That's why kayong siguro mga kababayan natin na nag-iisip na appeasement. Wag na lang nating awayin. Anyway, para tahimik na lang. Wag po kayo maniwala. Pag ang isang bayan ay gusto nilang kunin kung anuman ang sa atin, gagawa ng paraan yan. There is no such thing. History have taught us. No? Maybe na a bit on the side of our discussion for today, but at the end of the day, still very related on the West Philippine Sea. Kaya nga pinaglalabanan natin to, atin to. Hindi kayo pwede pumunta dito. Kaya pag may mga nagsasabi, hindi, pagbigyan mo na, parang hindi na tayo mag-aaway, hindi yun pwede. Saka, unang-una, kaya rin talaga we really have to work on this West Philippine Sea issue, and really come up with a clear strategy, a communication strategy for that matter. Is alam naman natin na kaya lang rin gusto ng ibang bayan at gusto natin yung lugar na yon. Aside from it being ours, marami pong kayamanan doon in terms of oil and gas. Huwag na natin isipin yung isda. Just the oil and gas and maybe rare earth elements that can be found underneath that area. Kaya nga pinag-aawayan. No? So, sa akin, talagang we really have to be careful. It's not just an issue of nationality or of you're being loyal to the flag. Meron ding economic benefits. Giginhawa tayo pag nagamit natin ang atin ng mga minerals dyan, oil and gas, na dapat nating matap kasi talaga atin yan. Kaya pag nag-iisip tayo, lalo na yung mga nasa social media, no, na appeasement, wag. Don't be trapped into their narrative. Ika nga.